Hi my peeps, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Now guys, I'm going on the road and this is my outfit of the day. Well, nothing much, just my my leggings, my high waist leggings. You close enough where you can see it? So this is my high waist leggings, guys. Alright. And just a tee. I got this all from Urban Planet. Alright. And that's how it's looking. And it has pockets at the sides and just my knife. Alright guys, so that's my outfit of the day. Alright. So guys, this is the toll heading towards Kingston City. Just a quick little minute drive. I think I videoed this one time already. Oh, that's a nice house. So guys, basically I'm heading to the doc. I'm gonna get some medication for my face. I don't know what, I'm allergic to something and it bumped me up, so yeah. I'll show you after. Can't show you now. It's a disaster. So just enjoy the little view. Caymanas Estate housing scheme. The view is pretty. Road is clean. What make all like a road that Jamaica can see like this?
Yeah.
Ayya!
We get money for the toll plaza first to middle. Caymanas crossing on Monday.
Oh, so this is a Caymanas crossing?
Yeah. This used to be all this land is with Caymanas, this sugar estate.
But you still have sugar cane
Still
over
have
there.
sugar cane, yeah.
There's sugar cane still over there, guys.
There's a factory around here where I was in scheming. With Caymanas sugar factory, guys.
Oh, and then now if you hit the
I'll take the right now, it's taking me to Coke now. Straight ahead.
Kingston.
To Kingston. Uptown.
So
we are going downtown here. And I'm driving that side on the road bad because I'm working on the Spanish one. We're going to take a toll.
One time, you remember Breadfruit Giant used to be here?
They move them.
They move it, eh?
And build a market for them now, so they can't sell out there. Paris comes to build a place for them. Police patrolling here now.
Pull over bus driver, poor people.
This is where the real Kobe heading out here.
Real Kobe River?
No, see man. You know to this.
The Real Kobe, The road nice though, just smooth. No, that's okay. And where we at now, Vessa? Downtown?
Downtown, waterfront.
It's kind of nice out here, so. You put up the camera stick.
Yes, there's a fisherman. Trying to revive, not trying to refurbish Kingston and move it back. One time I got ships to come here, cruise ships to come here. The Bank of Jamaica.
Yeah. Yeah. And we're downtown now, babe.
Scotia Bank headquarters.
This is a big building, yeah. Lord, that's way tall. Lord. Kaya tall is one down here. Watch your face on my knee speed.
Jesus.
I can go.
Driver, man.
Yeah, man.
Last year we give me today we have it,
Me kaka. But the man put on the indicator, you know. I say, look here, me are coming on now, so wait.
Grace Kennedy headquarters.
Grace Kennedy headquarters. So guys, this is just a little bit about downtown Kingston, right? Oy, take time. Oh, two company, no one building over across this one.
Used to be there.
Oh, but they build this big one now. Oh, Grace, I make all that money there.
It's a long time company.
Well, that's good. We out at the seaside. What you call about it? Waterfront. Waterfront. It's a seaside. Oh. Hi my peeps, what's up, Wagwan? So guys, I'm gonna head to the doctor because oh my god, I can't, my face is horrible guys. If you see, I don't know what I rub on my skin. Something is allergic to my, like my skin is allergic to whatever I put on it. It bumps my skin up, my face. If you, I don't know if you can see it. Oh my god, it's horrible guys. So horrible. It's itchy, so itchy. It's on my nose, my neck. So my husband is taking me to the doctor, to his family doctor, so I can get some cream to rub it or something. Oh god, it's so itchy guys. Alright here, so oh, so itchy. So I'll see you later and I'll tell you what they say. Alright guys, so basically my update guys, I'm just waiting. Alright, let me say with the one doctor place here. The woman say, we don't know what time, at 5 o'clock them are closed. I say, so I say, is it 2 hour wait or 3 hour, 5 hour? Them man take so long, the doctor no work so slow. I said, Jesus Christ, what kind of reception is this? My husband, you have to go help me. I'm afraid I woman, guys. But anyhow, me I wait. I'm just relaxing. Sun hot, so I'm just waiting, guys. So as soon as I find out what kind of sitting bump up my face, so I'll let you guys know. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. I don't hear, so you say a food place there, right?
When it's seafood?
Oh.
Glorious, we have one in Porter.
Oh, that one named Glorious.
One branch in Porter.
So when all these car park are with them business or
workers? Government offices. This is a good wharf, you see damage from Hurricane Gilbert.
Which highway is this?
This is Marcus Garvey Drive.
Marcus Garvey Drive?
It's back in the book.
Alright guys, so basically I'm in the doctor's office now. I'm just waiting to see the doctor. And I'm just waiting. Alright guys, not doing much. So I'll let you know what they say from my face. There's a little bit of bumps coming up here guys. In my face as well. Okay. Alright guys, see you later. 1 second. All right guys, so basically I just came from the doctors, as I showed you before. I get medication medication, guys, because you see my face. Oh my god, it's inflamed. I got some medication for allergies, right? And then I got for antibiotic to rub my face, and another one. So one to use that in the daytime and one to use for the nighttime, guys. Oh my guys. Oh my god. It's inflamed. Like, look at there. Oh god. So anyhow, look there, guys. Woo. So I'm just gonna wash my face, and then I'm gonna put the cream on it because oh my god, this is serious. So I got lots of medication. Well, not much, 3 medication. I got 3 medication, guys. So alright. So basically I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna get something to eat now. Where we go? Islandville. Now we go buy bread. Oh, we go buy bread, we go Island Grill, and then I go buy something to make soup. I need a cup of soup. Alright guys, so I'll see you later. Alright guys, we still look fly, even with my bumps and all. Yeah! Alright, girl rocking my shades. Alright guys, so I'll see you later. Nothing much not going on the road, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna go into Islandville to get some food. Alright. I don't know what I'm gonna get. We're gonna get chicken. Something guys. I'll show you what I'm getting. I don't know what I'm getting yet. So after when I'll see what's the menu and then I get something to eat. What you call this place? Huh? What you call this place?
Portmore Pines.
Portmore Pines?
Portmore Pines, yeah.
Okay, so guys, we're at Portmore Pines. Oh, they have Popeyes. They have Popeyes too. And guys, we're gonna go to Islandville there. And what we're no Chinese.
Popeyes.
Let's go to Islandville and see. No. Right guys, we can get everything from that one. You get a little bit of plantain jerk chicken festival. Basically I'm gonna get the jerk chicken and plantain and festival. Okay. Festival jerk chicken breast.
They want a just right plantain.
Yeah.
That is it.
Okay, and I get plantain.
I'm gonna catch the serving a right plantain.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Sounds good. That order. Alright guys, basically I'm waiting on my order. So I'm hungry. So we are 358 and I'm at 359. So I'm just waiting. Alright guys, so basically I just got the food and I'm gonna eat now. I'll show you what I get, okay? Oh my god, I wait like half an hour to get some food, but I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Some soup and festival and stuff. So basically this is it, Island Grill, and I'm gonna show you what I have. Alright guys, so I got festival and chicken. So this is for me, chicken breast. And for my husband, your food look big. He got the, what's this one? Brown stew chicken?
Brown chicken.
Oh, it's like brown stew chicken guys with vegetable and rice on it. And then we got some soup. And then I got a little serving at the sides of with plantain. Okay. 4 pieces of plantain. Last one. And then we got the servings. Huh? And then we got the servings of soup. Big pumpkins. It's pumpkin soup, right? And the pumpkin soup guys come with more festival. I guess we don't have to cook today. Oh my, it's a big soup. Let me show them. See me down in it, yeah? Thank the Lord and bless the hand for this little food I made, right, son? Plantain, real Jamaican food this now, guys. Let's take a picture. My soup, get ground. I have to sample this first, man. Alright, guys, so this is it. Alright, guys, so these are the plantain. So good. I like how they do it thick. Festival. And I got the jerk chicken. Jerk chicken breast. I bone it part, you give me the one. It tastes good though. It tastes good, guys. The brown stew chicken. Alright guys, and this is the soup. Not bad. I like my soup thicker. See mine down the ground there? It's after my husband. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna finish eat and I will check in on you guys later. My husband, what is this? I want you to tell me, what is this?
That's cranberry water.
No, I just taste it. It's quenched.
Flavored cranberry.
It's flavored quenched. Guys, if my husband said, oh, this is the... Your back is good. This is the only thing he drinks, right guys? You know what? The sweet juice. And when I taste this, guys, you know, anybody from Jamaica know quenched? Yeah. These are the cranberry quenched water. And they put a little bit of sugar to make it sweet. This not cranberry water. It's quenched. Stop buy it. Don't buy no more, okay? Let me tell you that. Yeah, waste your money. Take this. So guys, this is where we're at, Sovereign Village, and they have in Portmore, and they have a lot of stuff, a lot of restaurants, a lot of stores inside there. Yeah, that's all they have there. Oh yeah. So that's it, guys. You turn there. And this is going to give you diabetes, sugar. I quench it. We're gonna go home now. We're gonna buy a bread and we're gonna go home. I think that's it. Look the guys, fruits. Man, I chop coconut there. Look the guys, yeah. Alright. My flags, me I try catch